second chance. They don't come on often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah.
Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this fun peach look, and I'm really excited to share this look with all of you. And this is the look which is best for summers. So if you want to know how I did this, please keep watching. So I've done my foundation and eyebrows off camera, and just to save us some time, and now I'm moving to concealing, and I'm going to use this LA Progel HT concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just to remove all the discoloration I have around my eyes. And I'm taking it under my eyes. After using this concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium to give some brightness under my eyes. So this is in the shade medium, and I'll just give some brightness under my eyes, and also I'll hide my acne scars because recently I've got, I don't know, uninvited guests, and they are actually a lot. And now just pressing it onto my skin. So now, after concealing my dark circles and every blemish I have on my face, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade medium, and I'm going to set the concealer. And I'm taking the same beauty blender for setting as well. I missed highlighting my nose and my forehead, so I'm taking that Maybelline Fit Me concealer again and applying it here. And just setting everything with the same loose powder I used to set my under eyes. So once face is done, I want to move to eyes, and I'm pretty excited to do this eye because I love peach color. As you can see, I'm wearing a peach top as well, just to, you know, put the whole look together. And for eyes, I'm using a very pretty eyeshadow palette, and this is Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette in the shade French Rose. I just love the colors, love the combo of this eyeshadow palette, and you can see the colors. They are so beautiful, so amazing, and they are so pigmented as well. Let me swatch the color for you, which I'm going to use on my eyelids today. So this is the color, beautiful peach color, and I'll be taking it all over my eye area. So I'm taking a blending brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm taking this eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it all over my eye area. This is quite a precise blending brush, not the fluffy one which I have used earlier, because I don't want it to take it too higher. So I'm using this tapered blending brush and not the fluffy one today. And I'm taking a blending brush to blend it all around my eyes, just to remove all the harsh lines I might have. Now I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye as well. See how beautiful this peach slash coral color is looking on my eyelid. So I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye and taking the same shade, same color. Now I'm taking a smaller brush from Colorbar and I'm taking the same eyeshadow color and going to apply it all over my lower lash line. And after applying this color, I'm going with kajal, and for kajal I'm going to use this Chambor dazzle kajal in the shade teal blue, and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. And I'm going to just dust off the powder I applied for setting the concealer. Now I will move on to mascara, and for my eyes next I'm using the mascara from Maybelline. This is the Falsies Push Up Mascara, and applying it on my lashes. Now I want to move on to my face. So for contouring I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. And I'm taking a contour brush. And I'm going to do nose contouring as well, and sticking a little. And after applying contour on my nose, I make sure that I use loose powder above it or around it. Like, I like to use it just below I do my nose contouring, so that it looks natural and not that something is going on my nose. So after contouring, I'll quickly move on to my favorite part. I mean, I'm really excited to share the blush I'm using today because I've bought it all new, and this is from Colorbar. First of all, I would like to appreciate the packaging of this blush. I mean, look at the blush, look at the packaging. It is so beautiful, so stunning, man. I mean, I am in love with this color of blush, and this is in the shade Coral Craving, and to see the color, it's beautiful for this look. And I'm going to take a brush to give this color onto my cheeks. And you can see how beautiful this color is looking with this entire look. So after using the blush, I'm moving on to the highlighter, and this is from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals, and look at this beautiful highlighter. Again, a good drugstore highlighter. And I'm highlighting all my high points of face. So after the highlighter, now we've come to the final step. For the lipstick, I'm using Colorbar in the shade Truly Mine. This is again a new lipstick I've bought, and look at the color, guys. It's beautiful. I think it's gonna look really gorgeous with this look. It's the perfect nude peach color. So this is the peach lipstick, and I am loving the look, guys. I mean, it's come off really well, and I hope you're going to like this tutorial. And I've just, I just thought of doing this look. I don't know, I mean, I am so much in love with the peach color, and I thought, why not to put it as a tutorial for all of you. And just look at the, just look at this look. It is so beautiful, so beautiful, guys. I hope you're gonna like what I've done for you today. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to post my new video. And thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.